Three warnings Jesus gave that too many Christians ignore. Most people are waiting for Jesus to come back, but very few are paying attention to what he warned us about before that day. These are three warnings every believer needs to hear. And the third may make you ask yourself, am I truly saved? Warning 1. Hell is real, eternal. And Jesus talked about it more than heaven. From Mark chapter 9 verse 48, where their worms dies not, and the fire is not quenched. He did not say it was symbolic. He did not say most people go there by mistake. He told us that the road to it is wide and many are on it. Modern preachers have replaced this fire with a hug. But if your gospel has no hell in it, it is not the gospel Jesus preached. Warning 2. Small sins are enough to condemn you. Matthew chapter 5 verse 22, Jesus said that whoever is angry with his brother without a cause shall be in danger of the judgment. Not murder, anger, a bitter tongue, a proud thought, a lustful glance. Jesus raised the bar so high that no one could climb it. So we would fall on his grace instead of our record. Today's church has lowered the bar so we feel safe in our sin. That false safety is a trap. Warning 3. This is the one they never preach. Many who serve him will still be rejected. From Matthew chapter 7 verse 22. Many will say to me in that day, Lord, Lord, have you not prophesied in your name? And in your name have cast out devils? And in your name done many wonderful works? They prophesied, they cast out demons, they did mighty works. And Jesus said, I never knew you. Church activity is not the same as knowing Christ. Loud worship is not the same as surrendered heart. You can serve in ministry every week and never have met the Master. The modern church has convinced people that church attendance equals salvation. It does not. Only a living, obedient, repentant relationship with Jesus does. Every warning Jesus deleted from the modern pulpit, he left it in the book for a reason. He was not trying to scare you. He was trying to save you. Comment, give me truth if this shook you. Share this with someone sitting comfortably in deception. Message Bible study on WhatsApp using the number on the screen. Let's return to the real gospel while there is still time.